I'm Doug Perkins. I am the director of percussion at the University of Michigan and the director of the Percussion Ensemble, who is getting to premiere Michael Gordon's The Forest of Metal Objects at the Met Cloisters this June. This piece has been in the works for a number of years now, and it's a unique piece because it's a piece designed to take over the entirety of the cloisters, which is this museum made of monasteries put together on top of a mountain at the top of Manhattan. The audience will be moving during the piece, but as well the musicians are moving. So today what we're doing in our rehearsals is finding ways for the musicians to perform the music and have actions that can physically actually move the music from one place to another.
I'm Michael Gordon, and I am a composer. I wrote the music for The Forest of Metal Objects. The great thing about percussion is that just about anything you can hit qualifies. So we've got some very traditional instruments like vibraphones, and then there are earthy sounds like bell plates, which are pieces of aluminum that have been cut and tuned, and some non-pitched percussion instruments, a lot of cowbells. There are gongs. Yeah, there are a lot of things here, a lot of things ringing, a lot of metal that's ringing.
I think you can expect to hear something that's very dynamic, very rhythmically active, very dramatic. I think you have everything from quiet contemplative things to the most ecstatic music in this piece.
My name's Paul Lazar. I am co-directing this project with Annabelle Parson. After Michael got the commission to do this project, he contacted Annie and I to add a theatrical component. Beside the 16 percussionists, there will be 6 actors as well who will be woven into this journey through the cloisters. Something that's latently theatrical can become manifestly theatrical. I mean, we're in the cloisters, we're playing, beating on instruments, we're moving through space. I mean, there's just so much latent theatricality to it that we're just simply going to enhance that, but it lends itself deeply to theater. It is theater.
This project is unbelievable for the University of Michigan and the students that we're working with in this project to get to do a major world premiere in New York City, to get to work with world-class people. So it will be a profound and lasting experience for all of them.